The world is changing, and so are our priorities. Our environment is in need of some serious love, and one way to make a difference is through renewable technology. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to talk about. We're diving deep into the world of renewable technology, and more specifically, electric cars. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be a renewable tech expert. So, what exactly is renewable technology? Well, it's the future of clean energy. Renewable technology refers to the use of natural resources to generate power, and the best part is, these resources are infinite. That means no more worrying about depleting our planet's resources. You've probably seen these incredible contraptions, like massive wind turbines or solar panels on rooftops. These are all examples of renewable technology in action. They harness the power of the elements to create electricity. But why is it crucial? Let me break it down for you. Our planet is facing an environmental crisis. Fossil fuels are polluting the air, causing climate change, and depleting natural resources. Renewable technology has countless environmental benefits. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which are the primary driver of climate change. By producing clean energy, we can decrease our carbon footprint and slow down global warming. Renewable technology offers a sustainable solution. It's clean, green, and helps reduce harmful emissions, making our Earth a healthier place to live. Plus, renewable tech isn't just good for the environment. It's also great for our economy. It creates jobs, promotes innovation, and reduces our dependence on foreign oil. Moreover, renewable technology contributes to energy independence. It allows us to generate power locally, reducing the need for imported oil and the associated security and economic risks. One of the best things about renewable technology is that it's accessible and inclusive. Communities, big or small, can harness its power to meet their energy needs and create a sustainable future for all. Now that you know why it's important, let's talk about the different types of renewable technology. Our first stop is the ever-popular solar power. Solar panels are becoming a common sight on rooftops, and for a good reason. As you can see, these sleek, photovoltaic wonders soak up the sun's energy and convert it into electricity. It's a clean and green way to power your home. Next up, let's talk about wind energy. Those massive wind turbines dotting the landscape are a symbol of progress. These giants harness the power of the wind to generate electricity. It's renewable, sustainable, and has minimal environmental impact. Now, let's take a closer look at hydropower, one of the oldest and most reliable forms of renewable energy. Dams like these help us capture the energy of flowing water, turning it into electricity. It's not just green, it's also versatile and can provide energy around the clock. Moving on, geothermal energy is all about tapping into the Earth's internal heat. By drilling deep into the Earth's crust, we can access a never-ending source of heat, turning it into electricity and heating for homes. It's like having our own planet-sized furnace. You might be wondering, how does it work? It's pretty straightforward. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, there are pockets of superheated water and steam. We drill wells into these reservoirs, and the intense heat and pressure force steam to the surface, where it turns turbines, generating electricity. It's like a natural power plant. Geothermal energy is a game changer for the environment. It produces minimal greenhouse gases, making it one of the cleanest energy sources on the planet. It helps combat climate change and reduce our carbon footprint. Plus, it doesn't rely on fossil fuels, which are finite resources. There are so many advantages to geothermal energy. It's reliable, unlike solar or wind power, which depend on weather conditions. It's cost-effective in the long run, and it's sustainable because the Earth's heat is everlasting. And now, let's talk about a unique source of renewable energy, biomass. Biomass energy uses organic materials like wood, crop waste, and even algae to create energy. It's a way to recycle and reuse while generating power. But how does it work? Well, let's break it down. Biomass is transformed into bioenergy through various processes, such as burning, fermentation, or gasification. The energy produced can be used for heating, electricity, and even fuel for our cars. Electric cars have come a long way, and it's not just about being eco-friendly. It's about being stylish, efficient, and fun to drive. The best part? Electric cars produce zero emissions. That means you're not only saving money on gas, but you're also helping to save the planet. These cars are packed with cutting-edge technology. From autopilot features to intuitive touch screens, it's like driving a piece of the future. You might be wondering, aren't electric cars expensive? Well, we're breaking down the costs for you, and you might be surprised at how much you can save in the long run. Electric cars have come a long way, and the initial cost might seem high. But here's the thing, that's not the whole story. Electric cars aren't just a fad, they're a movement towards a greener, cleaner, and more efficient future. Let's start with the most obvious, fuel costs. Gas prices are constantly on the rise, and we all know how painful that can be for your bank account. But electric cars? They run on electricity, which is often significantly cheaper than gasoline. Charging your electric vehicle at home is a breeze. No more trips to the gas station, and no more dreading those price hikes at the pump. Plus, many places offer free or discounted charging, making your wallet even happier. Traditional cars have a lot of moving parts that can break down and cost a fortune to repair. Electric cars have fewer moving parts, which means less maintenance and lower costs over the long term. But wait, there's more. Many governments are encouraging the adoption of electric vehicles by offering incredible incentives. These incentives can include tax credits, rebates, and even access to carpool lanes. So not only are you saving on fuel and maintenance, but the government is also giving you a helping hand. And, of course, we can't ignore the environmental benefits of electric cars. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means cleaner air for all of us. When you choose an electric car, you're not just saving money, you're also contributing to a greener and more sustainable future. Electric cars are not just the future, they're a smart financial choice for the present. Thanks for joining us on this journey through renewable technology and electric cars. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, drive electric, drive smart, and drive for a better world. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.